there, folks. So I've got a great for sale by owner deal for you. This is a 301 RLS by Forest River. The brand is Rainier. You can see here on the front cap, the brand is Rainier. But if you're looking for price comparisons, you should look into the Vibe, Forest River Vibe. This is a branded version of the Vibe, specifically for Poulsbo RV out of the state of Washington. So let's take a quick look. All right, so first thing to note, lots of basement space. This is a pretty good basement as these little travel trailers go. It does have electric light, electric jack here on the front. Dual 20 gallon, 20 pound, dual 20 liquid propane tanks. We do have the big awning here that comes out over the door. You do have the safety handrail, Flexco stairs here on the front. Not my favorite, but definitely gets the job done. It does have an entertainment. Let's see. Well, entertainment closet, garage. I don't know. Gosh, but it's good size. You can obviously mount a TV in there. You can see we didn't. It's also got a refrigerator here that you can see we didn't use either. So and a little pass-through storage right here to get you to the cabinet under the TV. All right, coming around here to the back, you can see on the spare tire is mounted to a fold-down storage rack. And around to this side, you've got your power. This is a 30 amp service trailer, cable satellite hookup, other opposing slide. Now, opposing. One of the things we liked about this, and you'll see it on the inside, are the slides face each other. So it gives that really big open feel on the inside. Back here you have access to your refrigerator, galley gray tank, and then you've got both your gray and sewer outlets right here. Access to city water and freshwater connections, black tank flush. This is also where you extend and retract your stabilizer jacks. And again, storage. This is a smaller door, access to the same basement. The GVRW on this rig is just under 10,000 pounds, so make sure you've taken that into account as you're deciding if your tow vehicle can tow it. Battery, honestly, I've never replaced the battery, so it's been fine for like little overnights where we're just running the LED lights, but I've never really put it through any paces, so just keep that in mind. All right, so let's go inside. Okay, right here you can see as we come in, you have immediate access to your bathroom. You have access to your bathroom whether the slides are open or closed. That is convenient. Quick overall view of the living space. Okay, so quickly on the inside, you've got your kitchen over here on the passenger side. Island here, you can see some of the pink stuff in the sink. That's just the antifreeze for winterization. This is currently winterized. Nice size countertop space over below the microwave, and a 3-burner range cooktop gas surface with a Suburban oven. I don't know the size of the oven. It does have a vented range fan with a light, Storage over. This is generally your pantry space over here. Decent size, but keep in mind this is in a corner, so it makes for just slightly awkward for things that are supposed to be square going in your pantry. And that is both upper and lower. We really liked these overhead cabinets. They're nice and deep. I mean, so even with my fingertips, that's all the way to my elbow. Here's the oven. So you can see we don't. I mean, the oven is the oven's immaculate. Obviously, we don't use it very often. You do have more space here under the countertop. Good deep storage. I mean, it runs all the way to the back of that that countertop surface. On the island, obviously, you've got some storage under the sink. I say some. I mean, that's good size. And you've got drawers here on this side, slotted. This one's a bit deeper. You do have storage here over both sides. Back here at the end, I will say this is not the original couch that came in the trailer. We actually took the original couch out and sold it, and put an office, put a desk back here. I mean, this is good space. I mean, this is big. If you need to put a big desk, if you work from home, work full-time RV, this is good. That's what we used it for. Again, storage on the other side as well over this. This is it's a flip-out couch, by the way. So the couch is being sold with this camper, but it does flip out into an extra bed. Then you've got your entertainment seating on this side. More storage across the top. If you haven't noticed, we've got LED lights pretty much everywhere. Here is the dinette refrigerator. I don't know what you would say the actual size of the refrigerator is. Dometic gas and electric. Here's your panel where you've got your heat and AC. Yes, this has AC. Obviously now your battery, fresh tank black, gray 1 and gray 2 tanks. Water pump, water heater, and your internal, I think this is internal and external light, your awning, and your slides. All right, let's take a look in the bathroom. All right. Decent vanity for this size of a camper. Decent shower size. This is makes use of the rounded door space on slides track, so that just opens. Command strip, mirror, and loofah hanger. Gotta love command strips. Alright, here's the bedroom. You do have a north-south facing bed. Closets on both sides. This is an aftermarket mattress, by the way. I'll put down below the link to the mattress. This is a hybrid spring memory foam. It is fantastic. Love this mattress. You can see, I'm sorry, we do have another mattress in here at the moment. I don't think that will convey. Okay, at the end of the bed you do have charging ports on both sides. You've got a DC outlet and USB on the left, and then over on the right you've got 2 AC outlets and 2 USB. Reading lights above, and some extra storage just overhead. Okay, so that's it. This rig is for sale. Give us a shout if you're interested. My parents will be most likely showing it. But if you like it, make us an offer.